When you observe the two equations, what you find is, this is the first equation and this is the second equation. You find that the coefficient of x 47 is the coefficient of y in the second equation. The coefficient of y in the first equation is the coefficient of x in the second equation. This is called coefficient of x and y interchanged. So if the coefficient of x and y are interchanged, what we can do is add the two equations, the equation will be similar. Then subtract the two equations, again you will get one more simple equations. Then once you get two simple equations, solving will be very easy. So first I said this method is called adding and subtracting. When the coefficients are interchanged, it is called adding and subtracting. So I'm going to add equation 1 and 2. So when I add equation 1 and 2, 47 plus 31, it becomes 78x. Then again, 47 plus 31, it becomes 78y. Adding the two numbers also is equal to 78. So the whole equation can be divided by 78. When the whole equation is divided by 78, it becomes a very simple equation as x plus y is equal to 1. Similarly, I said subtraction. So subtract the two equation. 47 minus 31 is 16x. Again, this becomes negative. Again, we are going to subtract because 47 is greater than 31. We are going to get it in negative. So minus 16y. Again, you subtract this, you get 48. So again, the whole equation can be divided by 16. You get x minus y is equal to 3. So this is the second simple equation. Already we got one simple equation, x plus y is equal to 1. Now I need not explain this solving. This is very simple. When you solve, you get x equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1.